Know and apply the arc length formula to either find radius or arc length. So here we have find the radius of a circle if the central angle is 50 degrees and the intercepted arc length is 30 feet. So thinking of our formula for arc length, S equals R alpha, where S is the arc length, R is the radius, and alpha is the central angle. However, if you remember, this formula only applies if alpha is in radians. So we're going to make a note here. It must be in radians to use this formula. So in order to use this formula, I first need to take the central angle that's given to me of 50 degrees and let's convert it to radians. So we're going to use a conversion fraction, 180 degrees on the bottom and pi on the top. So we just want to leave it in exact form but reduced. We're going to cancel the degrees and we'll divide both by 10. So it looks like our central angle in radians is going to be 5 pi 18ths. Now we're ready to use the formula. We're given the length of the arc, which is S, that's 30, equals R, that's what we're wanting to find, multiplied by the central angle, which is 5 pi 18ths. So we will have our answer if we just go ahead and solve this for R. So we're going to multiply by the reciprocal here so that this cancels, and we need to do that to the other side. So we've got 18 over 5 pi. I'm going to do a little bit of reducing here, and 5 will go into 36 times. So it looks like my radius, if we need it in exact form, and if it doesn't take around, we're going to leave it in exact form, is going to be 6 times 18, which is 108 over pi, and we should put our units on, and our length is in feet. If it asks us to approximate, maybe it'll say round to 2 decimal places, then I would put that in the calculator. That looks like rounded to 2 decimal places is 34.38 feet.